If you have $0 to your name today, no job, no savings, nothing, the process of reaching $1,000 requires a strategy that functions without any initial investment. The common assumption that wealth requires upfront capital often keeps beginners paralyzed. Moving from $0 to $1,000 is achieved by adopting a strict, mechanical system designed to replace money with specific actions. This plan relies on three basic components: an internet connection, a basic device, and a starting balance of $0. This is a practical blueprint based on real-world methods. It is not a passive investment strategy. It is a system that demands extreme daily effort to produce results. Replacing financial capital with a ruthless 30-day action plan allows a complete beginner to generate cash by focusing entirely on high-volume output. The 30-day timeline begins with a 3-day window to select a digital skill. Choose between video editing, thumbnail design, content writing, or social media management. Progress requires selecting one path, ignoring all others, and avoiding unnecessary courses. Mastery is not the goal. Your proficiency only needs to be sufficient to complete basic tasks. Use free tutorials and standard software to reach that baseline. Between days 3 and 5, you will package that skill into a simple service offer to begin monetization. Effective pitches rely on extremely high specificity. Rather than using vague descriptions, your offer should be a single, clear sentence, such as, "I will edit short videos for $20. Having this concrete sentence prepared allows you to begin pitching to potential clients without hesitation. Defining a specific microservice removes the need for traditional business infrastructure like a website or an established portfolio. Days 5 through 15 represent the phase where most people stop. This window requires active hunting rather than waiting for opportunities to arrive. The protocol involves targeting small, growing creators on platforms like YouTube and Instagram who are actively producing content. These creators can be reached through the contact emails listed on their profile pages or via their direct message inboxes. Use this low-friction script to initiate contact. "Hey, I noticed your content. I can help improve your videos. Want a sample?" To succeed, you must send between 20 and 50 of these messages every single day. Mass silence from creators is a mathematical certainty. Lack of response is an expected part of the process, not a reflection of your potential. Direct outreach functions as a test of probability. Sufficient volume ensures that a small percentage of recipients will eventually engage with the offer. From days 10 to 25, the focus shifts toward converting the first prospect to express his interest. Using an introductory rate of $10 to $30 removes the financial risk for the buyer, making it easier to secure the first project. Delivering high-quality work within 48 hours allows you to secure the initial payment and a positive testimonial, which are necessary for the next phase. Once the first $20 payment is secured, the strategy transitions into scaling toward the $1,000 target during days 20 through 30. Reaching the goal involves gradually increasing your rates for every new client while offering additional services to your existing ones. Securing the first low-ticket client provides the proof of concept needed to move forward. The subsequent price increases generate the actual revenue required to hit the milestone. By the end of the 30-day cycle, you have built 4 tangible assets: a specific skill, a clear offer, a verified client, and a scalable revenue model. Beyond the bank balance, you have now acquired the permanent ability to generate income on demand. To signal your commitment to this process, comment "Start" below to begin your first day. Reaching this milestone confirms that executing a structured system is the primary variable for success.